All right, guys, so here's what you're going to do in this assignment. I'm going to show you in just a second a bad PowerPoint slide, okay? It's not great, and I think you'll immediately see why this is not a hard assignment. All I want you to do is to open up the Google form link that I've included in Classroom, and I want you to tell me in that form 5 specific reasons that this presentation is bad, 5 specific errors that you can spot, okay? Again, not going to be hard. It's just an application of what we talked about in the prior slide. So I'm going to minimize myself here, and here we go. And there you have it. Isn't that beautiful? Believe it or not, I actually found a chunk of this online. I stole it from somebody else's um, PowerPoint, and it was bad. Now, this I don't know if it's a teacher. It could easily be a elementary student or anything. And I did make it a little bit worse. I'll be honest about that too. But 5 things that you see that are errors in this that shouldn't be there. Okay. So you're welcome to pause it, do whatever you got to do, but put your answers in the Google form. See you later.